Wow. Do you think they could have stuffed this anymore? If you want to see what I got in my third drape fit, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, and if you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the long haul. Hit the notification bell so that you always know when I put out a new video. And yeah, thanks for spending part of your day with me finding out what Drape Fit sent me. So Drape Fit is a subscription styling service. They advertise themselves as affordable. This is my third Drape Fit. When I first signed up, I think I said to send it every month, and then they sent one and didn't for months and months, and I think then I finally asked for another one. So I thought, even though I had said send it monthly, because they didn't, I thought, okay, I have to ask for it. And then out of the blue, I saw on my credit card that I got charged, and so yeah, so I'm not sure what's going on with them. Because I didn't ask for anything because I didn't know what was coming. They send you, I'm pretty sure they send you five items. It's a $20 styling fee, and I do not believe that that gets credited to any purchases. I think it's just a flat fee. All right, and it is bursting, so they wrap it up completely like that. There's no bundle to be seen, although it's got a little hole in it. And shipping both ways is included, and they send you an envelope to send back what you don't want. Drape Fit, we do fit best, a personal styling service. And let's see what's in here. Happy holidays, a little card. That's a nice touch. And dear Andrea, through every moment of the holidays, every day of the new year, may peace and joy be yours from the Drape Fit family. I will say that after they charged my card the styling fee, it was weeks and weeks and weeks until I actually, it got sent out. This is the price list, and that is something that I will save to the end. And there's also a note, but let's see what's in this bundle. Now, Nancy Ann from Nancy Ann's Unboxing says you should always give a styling service at least 3 tries. And so this is my third try. The first fit, I did keep one thing that I was just kind of okay about. And then the second one, I didn't keep anything because it was all terrible. All right, so we have got the woman's short sleeve color block top. And I can tell you right now, that's a no. First of all, I don't like color blocking most of the time. Sometimes I do, but I like that color, but I don't like color blocking, and I just don't need a short sleeve shirt. Who makes this? Yolette. Yeah, it's January, it's cold. That's not something that I need. Okay, next up we have a plaid printed top. There's not even the label has been cut out, whoever makes this. So again, it's kind of like color blocking. It's got that buffalo check and then shearing with the gray and then the black. And it looks like 3/4 kind of a puffy sleeve. Can't say I'm excited about that, but we'll try it on. All right, next up we've got something black, and it is the ladies mid-rise wide leg pants with foldable waistband by Yolette. So they're just stretchy pants. That might have some possibilities. Okay, and then up next we have something white. Long cardigan with pocket, and this is by Culture culture, I'm not sure what the other word is. And it is a long cardigan. It's got like that kind of waterfall. So we'll see how that looks. And then last up is another white item, more off-white. And this is a maxi sweater dress by Net 153. So it's got great big buttons all the way down. It's got a cable knit V-neck. That has possibilities. I don't wear a whole lot of dresses, but maybe. All right, what do you think? I think some possibilities, we'll see. I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we will try this stuff on. And let's see, if you haven't tried Drape Fit and you would like to, I'll go ahead and leave my link below. I think that gives you $20 off. And let's get started. So I've got my trusty UGG slippers on around the house. I am going out today and am wearing faux leather leggings from White House Black Market. They're in this kind of maroon color. I got a pair from a friend or fashion that didn't fit well, but I really liked the look, so I was able to find these at White House Black Market. And then this top is from Stitch Fix, and this black top is from Stitch Fix. This sweater, I should say, is from Stitch Fix. And just come up a little closer. It's the black one with the scallop neckline, and these are the leggings. And it's got this kind of folded over. So that's my outfit of the day. Let's try some clothes on. So first I've got on the wide leg pants with the color block top. The pants are very wide, very flowy. They've got the fold over, and I'll come up closer to show you. And the top, she suggested pairing this together. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's a great combo. So the top, it's got this kind of wide neck, and you can see my bra shows. It's, I tucked it in, but it's hard to, it comes down to here. It's just shapeless. It's, very shapeless. And these pants, let me adjust the camera. Lucy's here. She came to say hi. So these pants, they don't do anything for me. I mean, they're really wide. I wasn't quite sure what to wear them with because they're also long. They're very light fabric. Please don't do that. They're very light fabric, so I paired them with booties, but I wouldn't wear them in booty weather. I wear booties in the cooler weather, and these are more of a warm weather pant. It's got the fold over here, which I think is kind of hard to see. It does nothing for my booty. I mean, it just does nothing. They're just not flattering. So both of these are going to be a no. Let's keep going. This is the sweater dress, and I showed my daughter, and she went, So I said it was a 3 dress. It's a lot of dress. It's, it's pretty long. The front at the bottom does not lay right. I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't lay right. I would need to wear shapewear. She said it's see-through. It's also mostly acrylic. It doesn't actually feel too bad, but I just feel like it's really shapeless. It's just not a flattering look on me. If it was, I don't know, maybe tighter, like that. It's a lot of buttons. I think this dress could work for somebody. I think it'd be a great work dress, but I don't think it's right for me. Okay, let's keep going. I put my leggings back on to try this top, and this is not an Andrea top. It's just not a style that I would wear. It's a lot of material, and don't find this terribly attractive. So, one more. We're gonna try that cardigan last. And this is the last item, the cardigan. It's very big. It's long, and the arms, it's just too big for me. It does not fit well. It's very twirly. I don't know, what do you think about this? I just feel like it's too big. It's not a good size. All right, let's do prices and a recap. Okay, I came back because when I was showing my daughter, I realized it had pockets, and I didn't notice that when I was showing you. So I wanted to show you that it has pockets. And my daughter said I looked like I was either in the Matrix or I was a Jedi. So, okay, let's get to those prices. I don't know what to say. Okay, that was not my favorite box. Ladies mid-rise wide leg pants with foldable waistband. These were $34.75, and that is just a lot of fabric, and it's kind of not my style. So those are a no. Hold on. I wanted to move the paper so that it wasn't making noise every time I put something down there. The plaid printed top is $29.99. This was the one that it looked like, no, it doesn't look like the label was cut out. It just has no label in terms of who made it. But my son-in-law said it looked like they had some extra fabric and just kind of threw it together. So the maxi sweater dress is $35.75. That's a no. The women's short sleeve color block top is $26.25. They're interesting amounts, don't you think? And then the long cardigan with pocket is $29.99. So they are affordable. The grand total is $156.73. If you buy all 5 pieces, they do give you a 25% discount, which would take off almost $40, bringing it down to $117.55 and then $9 tax, so $126.54. I'm not going to be keeping anything. As a content creator, they send me these boxes for just $1 styling fee, so I'm not out the $20. But I'm going to be honest, this is going to be my last Drape Fit. It's just not, their pieces do not spark joy in me, and yeah, I don't want to waste their time and money, so I'm going to go ahead and close my account with Drape Fit. I know that some people get good pieces, but it's because I've had 3 boxes and one marginal piece I kept, and I'm not that excited about it. I think we've given it the old college try and decided that it's not right for me. I really just prefer to spend more money and get quality pieces. So let me know what you thought of this, and if you have had good experiences with Drape Fit, leave me a comment below. Okay, I hope your year is going off to a good start, and until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.